Hey friends, have you guys seen the Good Story Kit yet? If you haven't, you're in luck. I am about to share it with you. I just got it in the mail today and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So I got the main kit and I also got the add-ons as well. So the add-ons is a pack of 5 puffy banners, all in different colors. Seriously, the color scheme in this kit is beyond perfection. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited about playing with this kit. And then there is also a bunch of wood veneer shapes as well. There's some phrases in there, some more banners, circles, squares, just random shapes. Happy face by the looks of it. So that's awesome. There is this chipboard sunburst, which is a variety of different colors and concentric as well. So you can punch them out and use them individually or as one piece. That's up to you. There's also this one large wood veneer that says "so good." And it is totally good. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this kit. There's these super cute little happy faces in a variety of different colors there as well. Super duper cute. Of course, the die cut that says "good." There are 3x4 and 4x6 journal cards as well. I'll open these in just a minute and quickly flip through them with you. There is the word phrases. I've been waiting for white ones. I'm so glad that I finally have some in my stash. I have a good collection of Ali Edwards phrase stickers right now in my stash, but no white ones. So I'm pretty excited about that. Chipboard shapes. Once again, the colors here are just fantastic. And then there's some good phrases on these too, like "oh so good, giving thanks for this," "find the good," really needed a little something good to happen, "no beauty shines brighter than a good heart," and yikes, that is definitely not good. I love that in her kits, she explores both the good and the bad and leaves room for you to interpret how you want. And I am not opposed to adding good and the not so good stories in my albums. It's all about the experience, and future generations, if they're looking at my albums, might find some comfort in that. If they're going through it too, they're not alone. Somebody else in their family already has, and there's comfort in that knowledge, right? So that's why I share it. And it's just life. It's not always sunshine and rainbows. And so I acknowledge both. There's the 3x4 inch papers and then also the 4x6 as well. There's just a few of these each in the kit. Excuse the crinkle, but I will open them up and share them with you. So there are, oh, how cute is that? There's only 2 in the kit. And these are numbered. So number 1, here's what is good right now. Oh, they all say the same thing, but it's 1, 2, 3. And then those little happy faces in the background are just so cute. And then there's this one as well that says "good talk. There is no one I'd rather talk to than you." Really super sweet. The pattern papers, there's only a few in the kit as well, probably about 3. So there's this really good pinky, kind of a coral color that has a bunch of different words that are similar to good, better, best. I like that. Good stuff. And then it's divided into thirds so that you can do a lot of journaling on this one. And then there's this page as well. Love, love, love that. You can definitely fussy cut these out if you want to. They're a good size for adding to layouts. Obviously use them as pattern paper as well. Well, obviously it's pattern paper, but use it as it is what I was trying to say, or trim it down and only use a portion of it. Oh, I just love this kit this month. Cannot wait to dig in. And now for the journal cards. Okay, so we'll start with the 3x4 inch cards and then we'll move into the 4x6. I'm just going to quickly flip through these because in the interest of time. Love. Living the good life. Good things come to those who wait, and that's crossed out and it says act. Seriously, so darn good. Good things take time. I love this one as well. Good times, date and location, and then good memories, date and location. Love those. And then the 4x6. Nope, not good. Totally just how it goes sometimes. You'll have bad times, but it'll always wake you up to the good stuff you weren't paying attention to. Robin Williams. Amazing. I love that. Just good stuff. Better, good, best. Joy is what happens to us when we allow ourselves to recognize how good things really are. And good enough, I'm good with that. Really positive quotes in this kit and uplifting, and really great for tackling maybe some of the difficult stuff that we are experiencing in our lives, either currently or in the past as well. Like I said, I cannot wait to dive into this kit. I will leave the link to this kit down in the description box down below if you wanted to go check it out. It is subscription based, but you get a really good mix of a variety of products in the kit, and it's more than enough, honestly, to create with for the month until the next kit comes out. The next kit is Seek, and I'm super excited about that one as well. So there you are. You get a really great bang for your buck with these kits, so definitely check them out. If you're looking for a way to maximize your memory keeping, definitely check into these. Also, I just wanted to mention real quick before I sign off, Allie does have her own little kit share and walkthrough as well, so I can link that down in the description box if you want to check hers out too. But until then, that's it for me, friends. I will be back again soon, creating layouts with this kit here and some other goodies and surprises as well. So stay tuned. Take care, friends. Bye.